Hello, we're going to be taking a look at Destiny, which is our online library catalog, and you can get to this catalog through either Charleston Middle School or Ashmore Elementary's Media Center web pages. And when you get to the catalog, this is going to be the first thing you're going to see. So you're going to want to pick whichever school you are at. When you click on one of your elementary schools, if you're in any of the elementaries, it'll take you to Destiny Discover, and we're going to take a look at the search and what the different page layout will look like and things that you can provide. And if you click on the middle school page, it's going to take you to a basic search. Both of them will search the catalog for your schools, whichever it looks like. They just look a little bit differently. You can, on the middle school, use Destiny Discover. That's what we'll be looking at. We'll be logging in as a middle school student and kind of see, but this works whether you're in K through 8th grade. It'll be the same. So on Destiny Discover, what you're going to want to do is log in. You're going to log in here at the top right. And for our K through 3 students, their logins are going to be their first dot last name as kind of demonstrated in this student's, and their password is the 8-digit of their birthday. And for 4th through 8th grade students, it's going to be their Microsoft login. And for teachers, that's what you're going to use as well. So we'll just submit it, and we don't want it to save. Let it think and get logged in. Sometimes it'll take a little bit longer than others, and that is okay. Okay, so now that we're logged in, you can see at the top of the page we have our general search like you would find for any browser, like Google, and this will be searching our school catalog. At the top here, it also has new books that have come into the collection that you can kind of look through, and if we had images, the covers, they'd pop up. We also have popular titles, and these are based on checkouts. So it'll let us, as more checkouts happen, the books that keep going out will show up on here. You can also browse by a subject or a topic that you're really interested in, or look at maybe some of the e-online collection that we might have a little bit of. So we're going to take just a quick basic search. You're going to type in, you can do the title of your book, you can do keyword, however you want. So I typed in Percy Jackson, and that's got a huge amount of items from the different books that involve the character of Percy Jackson. And so you can see if the item is out or in really nice and easy. You can see where it's located on the shelves, through the call number. And if your book is out and you want to be the next person to get it, or if you're doing the curbside pickup, you can put it on hold. And you just click hold, and since you're logged in, it will automatically make you the next person. If the book is in, it will tell you that, it'll be ready to be picked up, and this is when you want to make sure to pick it up by. You can also favorite a book, and this will just set it aside and kind of search for build collections kind of around that, which we'll talk at a different time about that. You can also look at different, you can see on the side here, it'll give you all the information about like what you have checked out, what you already have on hold, your things that you favorited, you've really liked, or collections, which collections are just a way for you to build resource lists. So public ones are ones that anyone who uses Follett Destiny has put together, and private ones are ones that you can make as an individual. So we'll make one just really quickly, and this will be great for you to, if you're working on a specific topic in class, you can build a collection around that, so your students can go and take a look and see these are the books that would be helpful with whatever project you might be working on. You know, if it's a science one, you can put, if you're doing endangered, this helps when I spell correctly, endangered animals, and you can type out a little description, and then you can set it so that, you know, anyone at the school or the district or just you can see it. We'll keep this just us, and then at the bottom, let's hit create, and then you can add, you can search for books about endangered animals. Search and search for you, and we'll show you the books that we have in our collection on that, and then you can click over here on the right to add to your collection, and you will tell it which one you want it to go to. And that's just a quick look at Destiny Discover. There's a lot that you can do in Destiny, and so if you have questions about how to use Destiny, or more, get more into detail on some of the things that I showed you, contact your media specialist and they'll be able to help you out.